just gonna go for a little walk, see what the storm brought, see if there's anything accumulated on any of the trees or anything.
It's not as bad as what we thought it was gonna be, was it?
No, it's a shade. Just like the shade of what I thought it was gonna be.
Let's go up this way. Because I want to go check the hydro poles. Come on, guys!
I expected like ice hanging from everything. Ice covered trees.
I know. I mean, I don't even know if there's... I mean... Whew. It is covered in ice a little bit, but it's not as bad as I thought.
No, there's nothing. Down in the Quarthas, they're talking about like hydro poles snapping and everything.
Ow. What?
Down in the Quarthas, so they were talking about hydro poles snapping.
Yeah. Like I could drive on this. This isn't slippery. So our area was supposed to be like really hard hit, and it just, I don't think it was. Some of the trees are pretty though.
We did get some freezing rain. Take a walk down to see the tower.
No. You can't even see the tower. It's supposed to be like right there.
It is. It's right there. I can see the silhouette.
Me too. You can see the
Buried in
the lines coming down, but it's definitely not as bad as what I was thinking it was going to be, but there are some areas that it got really bad. Okay, come. Becca, Brody.
Popcorn? Come on. Oh, I can't go through there.
Where are you going? Come on.
Checking it out. But yeah, decided. Figure this out.
Right on the corner?
Why not?
Maybe. I mean, that's really close to the hydro lines, but...
Huh?
It's really close to the hydro lines.
Well, no, we have to go back in a bit.
Maybe.
That's kind of those.
Somewhere along here, I'd like to. Oh, not my knee. Not my knee. So thankfully we didn't get hit hard. Unless it's still to come, which I don't think it is. I think it's done. I mean, there is some accumulation, but it wasn't the storm that I was kind of hoping for, but... So this is the storm after the storm. It's pretty, huh?
This is what I expected to wake up to.
What, yesterday?
Yeah. Like, this is what I was hoping for.
Well,
Look, I know it's bad, but
no, I wanted this too, but I wanted like a really bad ice storm. But, hey, you wanna go that way?
yeah, let them run.
Okay. But, oh, look at that view. That's so cool. I don't get tired of it. Or this. Oh, what do you smell, guys?
Look at that view.
Oh, wow.
Now that's a view.
But all underneath all this snow is ice. So that's why, like, if you look, they're heavily weighted down. You can hear it. Let's see. A little bit of layer there is ice. Beautiful. I don't think. Look at this. Hi, Becca. Hi, Becca.
You having fun, baby? Oh.
Come on, boo boo. What did I just call you? I don't know. She's having so much fun. That's what I love. She's following his lead, but
All right. Every time we whistle.
good boy, good girl.